I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to explore the beautiful Plage LSalis in Antibes. As always, I'm filming this tour in 4K Kelvin resolution so that you can fully immerse yourself in the beauty of this stunning location. From the moment I arrived at Plage LSalis, I was struck by its natural beauty. The crystal clear water sparkled in the sunlight, and the white sand beach stretched out as far as the eye could see.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
This is truly one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and I'm excited to show it to you. As I make my way along the beach, I'll be pointing out some of the hidden gems that you might miss if you're just passing through. From quaint beachside cafes to charming little boutiques, there are so many unique places to discover here. Of course, no trip to Plage LSalis would be complete without taking a dip in the refreshing Mediterranean Sea. I'll be showing you some of the best spots to swim and relax, so be sure to bring your swimsuit and a towel. I'll be sharing more exciting walking tours and travel adventures from around the world, and I'd love for you to be a part of my community. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful walking tour of Plage LSalis in Antibes. Let's go!
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!